జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. తత్రైవ తం నరవ్యాఘ్రం అభిషిచ్య పురస్కృతం. దేర్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఐ విల్ డూ పట్టాభిషేకం టు మై రామ అండ్ దెన్ బ్రింగ్ హిమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ద కింగ్డమ్, జస్ట్ లైక్ యాజ్ అండ్ హౌ ఎ ఫైర్ ఈజ్ బ్రాట్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద యజ్ఞకుండం. దట్ ఈజ్ హౌ ఐ ఆమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి బ్రింగింగ్ మై రామ టు ద kingdom from the forest. Oh my dear people, I am not going to make my mother, who is namesake mother, my Kaika's desire fulfilled. I will not let that happen anymore. I am going to be living in the forest. I am going to have Rama come back and take this kingdom over. And please get all the arrangements done. Make sure whichever the way that we are going to go to the forest, make sure that way is cleaned and make sure every place is cleaned. Like this, when Bharata is announcing Rama Pattabhishekam again to the entire community, and all the people started moving to tears, and with so much of emotions, all the people are saying that, oh Bharata, because you are desiring and you are craving for Ramarajyam, Padmasrihi Upatishtatat, ever since you are asking for Rama Pattabhishekam, then onwards Sakshat Lakshmi Devi is going to be with you. That means you have all the riches. The one whoever asks, whoever wishes, whoever desires for Ramarajyam is going to get all kind of riches in their life. Like that, all the people started immediately saying good words to Bharata and giving him blessings that you will get all the riches in your life. Like when Bharata announced Rama Pattabhishekam, everybody felt so happy. When Bharata announced to all the people that I am going to bring Rama back and Rama is going to be the king for this kingdom, all the people, citizens, immediately moved to very happy tears. Praharshajaha tam pratibashpa bindavaha. They all moved to tears very happily. Then everybody making arrangements for Bharata's tour to Sri Ramachandra Swami. While getting all those arrangements are done, now again Bharata, it is almost night, Bharata went back to his bed and everybody went back to their own houses. Bharata is now getting up in the morning. For him to get up, again all the protocols, like people came and started doing their instruments in order to awake Bharata. Bharata could not take that kind of great honor. Bharata felt that these honors, everything supposed to be done only for the king, but I am not the king. So he could not bear that and he could not tolerate that. He came out and asked all the people to stop their instruments and said, don't you all know that it's supposed to be done only for the king? I'm not the king. I won't become the king. Like that, he started shouting at the people who were doing all those instruments. And he is also saying to his brother Shatrughna that, oh Shatrughna, look at what kind of grief our father gave to me. He just put bundles of grief in my lap and left this world. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He సీతారామా హే హే సీతారామా. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.